So today I'm going to show you how to unlock your PY token on the Pi network to transferable Pi token. You're going to head over to your Pi browser. You're going to head over to this section that has a menu sign here, and you're going to select on PY utilities, and you're going to select on to wallet. Now you're going to select on wallet, and you're going to put your 24 paraphrase. Then you're going to head over to home, and then you're going to select that menu, and then you're going to select mainnet. Then you're going to select on migrated to mainnet, and then you're going to be brought to this page that looks like this. Now, as you can see here, there are settings here. You can see locked up percentage and locked up duration. You're going to adjust the locked up duration using a slider, and all you need to do is to drop it to 2 weeks from the maybe the 5 year that you had chosen to lock your account. So that is how it's supposed to be done. And if you found this content useful, consider subscribing.